Take some shaving cream, just a little bit, goes a long way. Then you're gonna buff it in like this. And we're almost done. Look at the difference. I'd rather come out the shower and see this than this.
Dirty AF grout. I accidentally poured too much OMG. Scrub. Why is it still so dark OMG? I will admit I did not need to add Ajax, and I do not recommend it. I just added a sprinkle to see if it would help since it was still so dark. I later found out that this is in fact gray grout.
How I make my crumbles. I use fairy washing up liquid and Ajax. I pour out my Ajax, add the liquid and just do this motion until the crumbles form. Takes a lot of mixing and adding more liquid. These turned out quite big. Added a bit more Ajax because they were too sticky.
Look how clogged the ear speaker mesh is on this iPhone X. Let's take it under the microscope and get it cleaned. that lovely earwax. Much better.
So a lot of you folks on TikTok have been asking how I keep my mop head white and new looking. I've actually never opened another mop head. I'm still using the same one I've started with when I got the mop, and it still looks new. I use some type of detergent. This is Tide here, about 2 tablespoons. Borax, key ingredient here because it's a disinfectant and also an incredible whitener. 1/4 cup to get the full disinfectant effects. This is OxyClean, which is basically powdered peroxide, also a powerful whitener. And then some Dawn, which is a great degreaser and detergent, so it pulls the soils from the surface. You can see I just swish my mop head around a little bit, and you can see the water getting brown there. Mainly leaving it to sit is the key. I don't care to let it set overnight, and then I just rinse it out in the morning. And it still looks new.